It's fall. Welcome back to my channel. If you are one of my regular lovies, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. If you are new, stop what you're doing. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification and you comment below and let me know any thoughts that you have or any suggestions about future videos. I would love to hear from you. But let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, it's fall. Can you believe that? It's fall. Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing. You guys know it's fall. Nobody told Alabama that. Like, nobody came and told us because it's still the butt crack of Satan hot outside here in the South. But everywhere else, the weather's changing. The leaves are changing. Ooh, y'all, I just looked at my waist and I'm like, sis, what waist? Okay, let's get back. Let's get back. So it's time to start getting ready for fall. The fall nails are about to come out. The sweater, like this one that I'm in, that I'm sweating inside of, all of that is going to come out. The boots, the booties, the layering. Let me know what your favorite season is. Like, a lot of people are into summer. A lot of people are spring girls. I am a fall. So I was born in December. I'm a proud Sagittarius. All my Sagittarius, let me know down below. And so fall and winter is like, I come alive during the fall and the winter. And so I wanted to get a bag, a new bag that was fallish. It's not really fall, y'all. I ended up getting the wrong color. So what happened was I saw the bag on Instagram and I saw the first color, which is right here. You guys look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the colors. Look at the chocolate, the creams. Like, that is a fall bag. Then I went on the website and I saw the other color, which is this color right here. Guess what mama chose? Instead of going with fall, because fall was coming, I went with spring because I love pink. Whoop. She's right here, y'all. Oh my gosh. We're going to go ahead and unbox her. She's so cute. I'm going to scooch back so you guys can see her a little bit better. I was going to cheat and go ahead and start unboxing already, but then I was like, Fumi, you got to do it together. You got to do it with your community. I literally had already opened this part and then I stopped. I didn't go any further. I did take a sneak boo. And okay, so this is the Kate Spade Rubix Bag. I saw it on Instagram. Like I said, the color just spoke to me. The design of it spoke to me. It's really taken after that puffy, soft leather bags that we've seen Coach do. Y'all, let me bring her closer. Comment below. Is she spring or can I rock her in the fall? I think she would be actually pretty with a neutral colored outfit. Kate Spade, New York. It is so puffy and billowy. The colors are really gorgeous. It's a matte leather, so it's not super shiny. It's not patent. It is matte. It has different color pinks, of course, cream, and then this gray right here in the middle. I love the straps have this interwoven leather. It's a thicker, harder leather on the straps themselves, so you can hold it as a top handle, or ooh, it also has a crossbody. I actually ended up taking the longer part of the crossbody off, but you can also have it as a crossbody. This is the back of it. Y'all, this bag is so gorgeous. I think I'm going to go get the other color. I don't care. I don't care. Tell your mom about it. A sis is going to go get the other color. This bag is a smaller bag. There is only one compartment. It's a lighter colored cloth on the inside of it, but there's really only one compartment. And then, of course, you have the zippered compartment, which you can store your debit cards, credit cards, and zip right up. It's only this one compartment, and it has a sleeve right here that you can also put your goodies inside of. It's beautiful, soft leather on the inside. This is, oof, y'all, tell me what color it is. It's like orange, pink. I know there's a name for it, but child, who knows? So I'm going to come closer so you can kind of see the bag. Oh, you better shake for them. You better twerk for them. So this is the bag. It's so cute. It's so cute. I am a sucker for structured mini bags, and this bag is perfect. You can fit a phone inside of it. You can fit a wallet, a full wallet inside of it. And you can put a compact, brushes. It actually fits a whole lot. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are our thoughts on the bag? Oh, look at my shoulder trying to hide. I'm trying to give y'all clavicle, and my shoulder's trying to hide. I beg, not today, not today. But let me know your thoughts on the bag, if it's something that you would want to buy. If you are not a part of the community, please hit subscribe and become a part of it. Share this video with another bag lover, and make sure you turn on the post notification so you get notified every time I go live. Check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever there's an internet, a sis will be there. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, lovies. Bye.